Hello and welcome to Unit 3, Broken Systems. This is how we can use play to create awareness. And so I'm going to introduce you to two new artists. The first is Yoko Ono and the second is George Maciunas. And so Yoko Ono was a kind of on the side of the Fluxus movement. She was included in it in the 60s. And she has a piece I want you to experience called White Chess. And it's pretty representative of how she thought about her work. She said, "The mind is omnipresent. Events in life never happen alone, and the history is forever increasing its volume. The natural state of life and mind is complexity. At this point, what art can offer, if it can at all, to me it seems, is an absence of complexity, a vacuum through which you are led to a state of complete relaxation of mind. After that, you may return to the complexity of life again. It may not be the same, or it may be, or you may never return, but that's your problem." Okay? So think about that mindset that she had or has. She's actually still alive. And go experience her piece, White Chess, and contemplate what that could mean exactly. So she changed this nature of this game, okay? And I want you to think about, how did it change? How did that piece represent her conceptual base? Okay, so I have some links here. You can go and explore her in some more context. Go and explore those. Again, this is the exploratory part of the unit. And really get a handle on what you think she's all about. Okay? So George Maciunas, he's one of the leaders in the Fluxus. He did organize and bring people together to create the Flux Kits. So the Flux Kits are an encapsulation of a collection of different multiples and printed items and things people made. And so he did bring these to festivals and events. He wanted art to be accessible. He wanted people to think that art was not this special thing that you would have to go visit, but it was something you should have around you all the time as a regular object. So he made them as affordable as possible. He did sell them for $100 back in the 60s. And that's like $800 today. Like, I think it's 840 or something, or 860, I forget. Anyways, which is sort of affordable, but not super affordable. And so that was his idea, to not have art be something that's only for the elite, but for everyone. Okay, so there's another link here to explore that. And so when you get done exploring, then go and take this quiz that I've set up for you, so that you can kind of get it solid in your mind what they were all about. Okay, so once you have all that preliminary exploratory sort of work done, what we're going to do in class is we're going to identify a broken system in the world. Okay, that could be a lot of things. We're aware of a lot of broken systems these days. And we're going to brainstorm a game together that makes people aware of the way that system is broken. And then we're going to write one paragraph summarizing the idea for our game. If you're in the online version of this course, you'll be doing this by yourself. I would encourage you to reach out to the other students if you feel like it, but you don't have to. And identify a broken system, something that you really felt the effects of. And then think of a game to bring people, make people aware of how that system is broken, how it's affecting people, perhaps. And then you again will write one paragraph summarizing your idea. It's just a summarization of an idea. It's not a whole game design. And then upload that to this assignment as well. So what we'll do for homework in this class is you will create 3 pieces for a class flux kit and make a 2-minute video of your pieces. Give a tour of that creation. You don't have to talk if you don't feel like it. You can just do an unboxing sort of a video and upload that to YouTube. Okay, you'll do the same exact thing if you're on the online version of this course. Okay, so if you're taking the face-to-face section, face-to-face version of this course, then bring your pieces to class and we're going to assemble that flux kit physically in class. And so it'll happen after the due date, and bring your pieces and we'll make a video and we'll take pictures so you can have documentation of it. Okay, and if you're in the online version of this course, I will assemble a playlist of the flux kit, so it'll only exist as digitally online as a flux kit together. It'll be a YouTube playlist, and that's how people will experience it. Okay. So as always, there's a rubric, so you can take a look at this and see how your work will be evaluated. So there's no mystery. And yeah, that's it. So welcome to the third approach of games as art, and I want you to experience play and awareness and how we can bring people to the table to discuss broken systems. And that's it. Looking forward to seeing your work.